Question number 1. What are the key responsibilities of a welding inspector? Answer. The key responsibilities of a welding inspector include conducting inspections of welds to ensure they meet specifications and standards, reviewing welding procedures and ensuring compliance with safety regulations, verifying the qualifications of welders and ensuring they are following approved procedures, inspecting materials before welding to confirm they meet required standards, documenting and reporting any defects or nonconformities, overseeing the implementation of corrective actions for any welding issues. Question number 2. What types of welding defects do you commonly encounter, and how do you address them? Answer. Common welding defects include porosity, cracks, undercuts, slag inclusions, and incomplete penetration. To address these defects: porosity, ensure proper gas shielding, clean materials, and correct welding parameters. Cracks, investigate the root cause, which could be related to material properties, stress, or welding techniques, and apply corrective measures. Undercuts, adjust welding speed, voltage, or angle to minimize excessive melting. Slag inclusions, ensure proper cleaning between passes and use appropriate welding techniques. Incomplete penetration, adjust the welding technique or parameters to achieve full penetration. Question number 3. Can you explain the difference between destructive and non-destructive testing, NDT, methods in welding inspection? Answer. Destructive testing, DT, involves physically testing the weld by cutting or breaking the material to evaluate its properties, such as tensile strength, toughness, or hardness. Examples include tensile tests, bend tests, and impact tests. Non-destructive testing, NDT, involves inspecting the weld without causing damage to the material. Common NDT methods include ultrasonic testing, UT, radiographic testing, RT, magnetic particle testing, MPT, and dye penetrant testing, DPT. NDT is preferred for in-service inspections and quality control during production. Question number 4. What the importance is of preheat and post-weld heat treatment, PWHT, in welding? Answer. Preheating the material before welding helps to reduce the cooling rate, which minimizes the risk of cracking, especially in high-carbon steels or thick sections. It also reduces residual stresses and helps achieve a more uniform weld. Post-weld heat treatment, PWHT. PWHT is used to relieve residual stresses, reduce hardness, and improve the toughness of the welded joint. It also helps in tempering the weld and heat-affected zone, reducing the risk of cracking and enhancing the overall performance of the weld. Question number 5. How do you ensure compliance with welding codes and standards on a project? Answer. To ensure compliance with welding codes and standards, review project specifications and identify applicable welding codes, for example, AWSD 1.1, ASME Section 9. Verify that welding procedures are qualified according to the relevant codes. Ensure that welders are certified and qualified for the specific welding processes. Conduct regular inspections and audits of the welding process and completed welds. Maintain detailed records of inspections, welder qualifications, and any corrective actions taken. Communicate with the project team to address any deviations or nonconformities promptly. Thanks for watching.